Wonder who that is.
We've kidnapped your dog, and unless you bring us the device in 1 hour, we're going to train him to play and dance to the flute.
That's kind of cool. How do you...
Yes, it's all very difficult to explain. You wouldn't understand. Bring us the device in 1 hour and you'll never see your dog again.
What device?
Well, we're not too particular. Any kind of device will do. We're just running low on devices. It's none of your business. Just bring us the device.
Where am I supposed to bring this device?
We are located on a small hill off of a dirt road with mud puddles.
I know the place. On my way. All right, so what we got going on here is my tires are just too big for my truck, but we're gonna make them work. See, I'll show you here. You go to close the door and we're hitting the tire. You can see there on the edge, it's kind of messed up. And here, you can see how I cut all of this. We're on the bump stop right now, so it shouldn't go up any further than that. We're not hitting anything in there. I made this mark here on the door. You can see that. That is this edge here. I don't think we have to get all the way into it because, like I said, you can see there we're not hitting. So I think if I just cut this seam off here, we should have enough, be able to cut enough off to clear. We're also hitting in the back here, which currently I'm just gonna chop it out, make some room, but I'm gonna put a steel bumper on the back shortly, so that whole thing's coming off anyway, so just got to make it work for now. First layer. Definitely better. Needs to be cleaned up, but the door opens and closes. Definitely gonna have to do some welding on the bottom of that door. It's not fully open, but it did open it a little bit. But we'll just put some spot welds on it and hit it with some primer. Give myself a quick mark. Well, I think that side's successful. Time to do the other side. That's all I'm gonna do for right now. Hopefully it's enough to, I don't know, not rub anymore, but have to take it out and give it a shot and see what we got. Thanks for watching.